In this video, we will examine how to use variables with user input data entry fields. Our friend Albert has made it to the final round of a game show, and now he has to decide how many points to wager on the final question. Let's go ahead and add a numerical data entry field. Go to Insert, select Input, and choose Numeric Entry Field. I'm going to place the field here. Now we can see in the trigger panel that Storyline has created a new trigger for us that goes with this entry field. If I were to click on the Manage Project Variables button, I can also see that it created a new variable for me. Let's edit this variable. We're just going to rename it, so we can click on its current name and replace it with wager. We could also click the Edit button to make other edits. Notice from here we can change the name and the default value, but we cannot change the type. Once a variable has been created, its type cannot be changed. Select OK. Let's make a new trigger that advances the final question layer when the user selects the Submit button. Our trigger for this interaction should say Show Layer, Final Question, when the user clicks Submit button. Now let's go ahead and take a look at that second layer. This slide has a question and the start of Albert's response. We need to add a text entry field for the user to be able to type in their response to the question. Go back to Insert, Input, and choose Text Entry Field. I'm going to place the field here. Your turn. Change the name of this variable to Question Response. Pause the video while you work. When you're finished, come back to the video and click play to see the solution worked out. Welcome back. To change the variable, we just click on the Manage Project Variables button. Click on the variable's name and type in Question Response. That'll do it for adding text and numerical data entry fields. In the next video, we're going to take a look at how we can use triggers and variables to verify the accuracy of an answer and adjust the player's score accordingly.